Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make velocity edit in Adobe After Effects. This is the easy and simple way to create velocity in Adobe After Effects. So first of all, import your video in which you want to do it. So this is the video, so I'm gonna do velocity in this video. If you want to practice this, so you can get this video in my description, just go ahead and download it. So first of all, you will need Texture plugin. If you don't have Texture plugin, you can get both link for Windows and Mac in my description. Just go ahead and download it. Once you've installed, then you can search for Texture and drag and drop Texture Pro in your video. Then in Effects Control, I'm gonna select Frame Interpolation to Motion Weighted Blend and Warping to Inverse W/Smart Blend. After that, I'm gonna select this motion blur composition to 1. Then I'm gonna go to that frame where I want to start the slow motion. From here, I want to start the slow motion. So I will click on this icon to create the keyframe. Then I will go 5 frames forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My speed will be 10%. Then I'm gonna select my clip and press U on my keyboard to see the keyframes. As you can see right there, these are the 2 keyframes that I have created. Now I'm gonna go 10 frames forward by Control Shift and right arrow for Windows and Command Shift right arrow for Mac. Then I'm gonna set speed 200% and 10 frames forward again. Then I'm gonna set this 10%. Then I'm gonna go 10 frames forward again. Then it's 200%. Then I will do it this for my whole clip. 10 frames forward, 10%, 10 frames forward, 200%, 10 frames forward, 10%, 200%, 10%, 200%, 10%, 200%, 10%, 200%. My last keyframe is 200%. Then I'm gonna go 5 frames forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm gonna set this speed to 100%. Now that's looking great. Now let's see what we have done. 10%, 200, 10, 200. As you can see right there, my speed of my video is going from 10% to 200, from 200 to 10%. Now that's great. Our video starting with 100% and ending with under 100%. Now if I play this video right now, it's not looking perfect because we need to edit the graph. Select all the keyframes from here. I'm not editing graph one by one because I'm not here to waste your time. So that's why I'm gonna use Flow plugin for graph editing. If you don't know to download and install Flow plugin, so you can watch my video, I'll put down the video link in my description. Just select all the keyframes. And here in Flow extension, you need to select this preset, which looks something like this. It is slowly going up, and you need to click on apply. So now we have to add some brightness effect. So I'm gonna drag and drop brightness effect on my video. So I'm gonna go to the first point where my speed goes to 200%, and here I'm gonna create a keyframe, then set the value to 120, then go 5 frames back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set the value to 0, then go to center, then go 5 frames forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set the value to 0. Okay, now that's perfect. Then I'm gonna copy this, and you need to paste these 3 keyframes to the center of 200% keyframe. Just paste it using Command V on Mac and Control V on Windows. Then I will place it in the center. Don't paste this into the center of 10% keyframes like this. You don't have to paste this right here. You need to paste this here. Place it in the center. Place this in the center. Control V, center. Now let's see the preview. Now after that, I'm gonna add some Gaussian blur. Set the blur dimension to vertical, blurriness 30. Go to the center keyframe. Create a keyframe here. Go back here, set the value to 0, and here set the value to 0. Now you need to copy this. You have to do it same like brightness and contrast. Okay guys, now it's looking great, but it's not perfect. And select all the keyframes of brightness and contrast. Then go to Flow plugin and make your graph like this. And click on apply. Now it's looking good but not great. I think something is missing. So we will add Sharpen effect, VR Sharpen. and then I will set the sharpen amount. No, it's not perfect. I think 50 is perfect. Then after that, add some glow effect. We will add VR glow. Okay. Then I'm gonna select use tint color, and here you can select any color that you want as a glow effect. So I'm gonna select something like green. For the color grading, I will do it in the next video. So hope you guys found this quick tutorial helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.